It is a rigorous curriculum of creative problem solving and collaboration that brings students to the forefront of design and innovation. The program takes students on a journey of technical proficiency in visual, product, spatial, and strategic design. But furthermore, it instills in them the entrepreneurial spirit to drive positive change. Learning by doing is critical to our pedagogy. Students are engaged in practical, collaborative, hands-on work in our state-of-the-art facilities from day one. Basket weaving, CNC cutting, biomaterial making, digital fabrication. A bias to doing takes them into real-world contexts. For example, some of our students are blowing glass in the Real Fábrica of Segovia, which is an 18th century glassworks, and maybe the next semester they will be doing projects with large global companies like Tetra Pak to try to fix for them sustainability issues along their supply chains. It is a very enriching and a very powerful learning experience. Our approach to education is rooted in empowerment. 140 nationalities on campus bring a wealth of perspectives and make it an incredible space for creative exploration and critical thinking. Our graduates shape the world through design with entrepreneurial mindsets and ecological and social awareness that position them as industry leaders. Our alumni are currently working in companies of all scales and sizes. Some have gone towards consultancy, so you can find them in places like Accenture Song, Frog at Capgemini Invent. Other students have followed trajectories more focused in product design, where they might have ended up in smaller boutique studios such as Csiszak Dalmas or Mormedi. Other students have gone into social innovation, where they are working in third and public sector organizations, including governments, and other students have gone into graphic design disciplines. Our creative campus is not just a place, but a state of mind. Whether in Segovia, in Madrid, or in our global online campus, we offer the latest technology for experimentation, production, and the testing of ideas. But it's also where creative minds from different disciplines meet to collaborate, where the IE community reaches out to the wider community to provide real solutions for future challenges at all scales.